Hi, this is going to be a start and run of my 1978 8 horsepower Tecumseh John Deere HM80 engine that I will be selling. The engine is in both mechanical and cosmetic pristine condition, as you can see. It has a 3/4 wide shaft. It is 2 1/4 inches long. It has the keyway groove. Alright, 1 gallon gas tank with the fuel shutoff valve. Designed to be run with a throttle cable, as you can see. Primer, everything. It's in excellent, pristine condition, like I said. Model HM80-155013E or B, serial number 8223D. So built on the 223rd day of 1978, assembly line D. All right. Again, this was originally on a 1978 John Deere 826 snowblower built by Aaron's. The engine was specifically made for John Deere by Tecumseh. It is in excellent, pristine condition, as I just said. Now I'll go ahead and start her up. Choke. 3/4 throttle, I believe. Let me see, make sure. Yeah, 3/4 throttle. Oh, it also runs anywhere from around 1700 RPM straight up to 3600. It's got fresh oil, fresh gas. The fluids will be drained prior to shipping, and or if you come and pick it up locally, I'll leave that in. Otherwise, it will be run dry until it ships. Thank you. Here we go. It's about half throttle right there. Excellent. That's about halfway. And that will shut it down. I'll run it one more time real quick. Also, I do have the double pulley available for this engine that went on the snowblower that was on. That's also available for sale if anybody needs that. Let me go ahead and start it up one more time. Alright, so there you have it. It'll be on eBay and Craigslist. It makes a perfect replacement engine if you have a John Deere snowblower with a dead engine. It'll also work on newer John Deeres that had the black engine, not a big deal. It'll work on any other snowblower or winter application. It'll even be great for mini bikes, go-karts, and other pieces of machinery as well. You can't beat these older Tecumseh Snow Kings, especially the HM line. They were built really well, and as you can see, runs really well, and it's in really, really clean condition. As you can see, it was well cared for, and it's a bolt on and go, ready to go. Thanks for watching. It'll be listed. Any questions, feel free to ask. Take care.